Hi friends, my name is Shafiq Ahmad Khan. Today we are in Healthy Talks and today we are going to discuss about neck pain and spinal treatment because there is a lot of patients those are suffering from neck pain and back pain but not getting the proper treatment. So in such regard, Dr. Mukesh Pandey, he is with me and he is going to describe each and everything about spinal treatment.
Hello, good morning. I'm Dr. Mukesh Pandey. I'm Director and Head of Neurosurgery at Asian Institute of Medical Sciences, Faridabad, New Delhi. We'll be speaking about one very common problem, that is back pain. This is one of the most common problems any one of us ever faces in life, and it's a little scary too because people are scared of anything that has to do something with the spine. All back pains are not to be worried about. Most of the back pains that we suffer, they are just muscular pains, and they can very easily be treated by just some medications and judiciously advised exercises. There are of course some back pains which are not to be taken lightly. So if you have a back pain which is associated with some pain going into the legs, some numbness of the legs, especially on standing or walking, difficulty in holding the slippers, some weakness of the leg. If the pain has come with these things, or if the pain is like you move a little bit and there is a lot of pain, you move a little bit, there is a lot of pain. If these pains you have, any of these pains, then yes, you should be worried. Worried means you need to go and see a doctor and you probably need a MRI. Now it comes to, doctor, I have a disc problem, what should I do? Yes, if you have a disc problem, most of the disc problems can be managed without surgery. Mind it, they don't require surgery. Most of them, initially some rest, some medication, and then eventually exercises. This is the treatment for most of the disc problems. It is only when you have some weakness of any muscle which is supplied by that nerve, then you probably need a surgery. And today's word, the surgeries have evolved like anything. It is not the same surgery that we used to talk about 20 years back. Now we have got machines. All surgeries are done under microscope. See, we have a wide variety of spine surgeries available with us. We can do it with a 1 centimeter hole, that is a keyhole endoscopic surgery. We can put screws, we can put the platinum screws if it is a broken spine within just 2.5 centimeter incision, that is known as a tube surgery. So things have evolved like anything, and all these surgeries are very safe. So friends, look for the danger signs. If you have back pain and if you have associated signs which I told you, look for them. If you have them, you need to see a doctor. You need to get an MRI. And if there is something wrong on the MRI, if you have a disc which is big enough causing problems, believe me, these are very safe surgeries in today's world.